Hello guys, welcome back into today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and we're going to look at the general altcoin market cap. Also, we do a time analysis on this episode. However, before we start, got a small request. If you guys enjoying and learning from the contents, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's dive into it. Based on a weekly time frame, we don't have a much change. However, important level that previously discussed on the previous videos, 51.5, 48.5, as well as the bull market band, is this red one is important. So as soon as we dumped on this one, as you can see, we're trying to recover. However, this is, again, I'm keep repeating, very important level to keep an eye on based on a weekly time frame. Overall, weekly time frame still bullish and we are still in the bull market. However, based on a time analysis that I warned right before end of the July, that we expected this massive dump, which I'm going to cover in a minute. This is a bear market play, buy zone, bull market play. So we've got long journey ahead of us on the bull market. Based on a daily time frame, we expected to reach to this level, $52,000 and $48,000. However, end of July, we didn't touch to this level and we started pumping with a time analysis that I warned exactly on the 29th of July that we came and penetrated all the levels and we cleared all the levels, and these levels are useless. So you don't need to use these levels anymore. So instead of those levels, we have important fresh levels that weekly as well as the 2 daily levels. However, bullish zone without claiming above $65,000, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish market trend change. However, I'm expecting, based on the time as well as MTF resistance we have at around here, and that's why we got stuck. First target level and then the second and then the third target levels are going to be $54,000 and $55,000. Up to we can dump again back to this level, which is going to be 52 all the way up to $50,000. So these are important levels. Losing this level, which is going to be close above on the daily time frame, $50,500 and $50,000. The next levels are going to be to keep an eye on. It's going to be at around $48,000 and $46,500-ish levels. So at this moment, it's better to keep an eye on to these levels all the way up to the level $52,000. Higher time frame entry levels discussed and given below $20,000 with a fake out re-entry level given at around here and mid of October. So if you entered early January, you are up by 300% with a re-entry 150% up for the spot back holders. Again, I'm repeating, if your entry is at around here, there is no reason to exit. We're still in a bull market. So we might see a pullback based on a daily and a mid time frame, which is 2 to 4 hour time frames, and there is no need to panic about the pullbacks. Moving on to ETH analysis. This is a scalp. As soon as we claimed daily, there was a pure swing and we closed with a 65%. However, with the exit, we catch this downtrend as well as here many trades. However, end of July with the last warning, we saw also in the last few videos that I keep mentioning, without breaking $3,600 and $700, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish trend change. And as mentioned, we didn't break that level, and from that level to this was a target 1 all the way target 2 as well as the target 3, and we saw massive 30 to 35% dump all the way up to this 2,320 level. However, the market dumped all the way to $2,100 level. So the bullish scenario currently, immediate bullish levels are going to be $3,000. However, higher time frame bullish level is going to be 3,300. Without this seeing this, it's going to be early for us to talk about getting back into the bull market. So at the moment, we are at a resistance on the BTC as well as the ETH. At the moment, this type of rejection will give us target 1 as well as the target 2 all the way up to this 2,250 is going to be the target 3. These are the levels that we have to keep an eye on at this stage. And as I said, from this level, if you're following the analysis as well as the higher time frame technical analysis with a time analysis, you might have been able to catch 30 to 35% dump. If you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. This is the warning that I gave based on a time analysis right before the dump, exact the high. The next one I was talking about, this is just the beginning. You don't need to panic about upcoming dump. So the next one was just the beginning of August, and stay calm. So altogether, as you can see, from the top to bottom, 30% dump, and I was quite confident with this dump because time analysis was negative, and as a result we saw the massive dump across the board. However, if we're going to look at the other one, waiting for the next move, and a hint is after 13th and 14th of August. If we're going to discuss this move, there is a negative aspects on Saturday and Sunday, which we are not seeing at the moment, the dump. However, this combination of these negativity, it's going to be moved on a Monday. Also, Monday it seems a negative. As a result, as I said, those levels will be in play, that the levels I mentioned earlier on. The weekend, as you can see, smart money is out of the game on the weekend. So we can expect in the beginning of the next week, these negative aspects are going to be combined and we might see pullback in the market. Moving on to others, where you excluding top 10 coins, and then you will receive market cap for the rest of the altcoins. And this trend line also point of control and then value area low we're following in the last few months. As I said, dump to the weekly, pump without breaking this level. It's going to be early, where we have a daily as well as the value area low, and was expected rejection, target number 1 all the way up to target 2. However, so as I warned, based on a time analysis, that was new support, and that was around 160 billion market. So we can see that from the warning we saw massive 40% dump for the altcoins, and in the beginning, without breaking this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about bullish market trend change on the altcoins. That's going to be around this level, 220 billion, as well as this is a primary level. However, time analysis is very important. We might see at the moment with the Ethereum as well as the BTC, this type of price action, target 1 and then target 2, all the way we can dump 160 billion, and we will do a further analysis. However, as I said, this level is going to be a bit heavy resistance. You have to be careful at around these levels, and we need more data when we get at around here. So hopefully you're following my analysis and you didn't get chopped up all the way to this dump. And as I said, this is not a trade level when we are at around here, because that's where you're gonna get chopped up. Another great metric that to follow in the market, which I made an update yesterday as well as on the 9th, ETH BTC is very important metric if you wanna trace, if you wanna analyze the market, when you're gonna buy and sell your alts. This update, if you're gonna follow it, you will find out with an 80% plus success rate, 1.5 year history you can check if you go to this tweet. Moving on to BTC under 4-hour time frame, its important level is going to be $65,500, $65,000. Without this, there is no bullish market trend. At the moment, we're at a local resistance. As I warned, this is going to be highly likely challenging for bulls, and I'm expecting pullback across the board. Target 1, target 2, we might come all the way up to this $2,000 and $50,000 are going to be target levels. However, as I said, bullish market structure change is going to be at around 65,000. Without claiming this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish trend change. Also, some may expect a V-shaped recovery, where I said 6th of August, it's not the time yet, so no V-shaped recovery for this dump. So as you can see, we got stuck at around here. For the V-shaped recovery, we have to claim above $65,000, then we will get this type of price action. However, based on an EMTF resistance plus time analysis is just negative at the moment, that's why we can expect this type of price action. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.